You can start up the car first. So we're going to use this pad here to reset the maintenance light. So we're going to use this, the maintenance light can be on here. It doesn't show anything now until you push one of these buttons. Just say you push to the right. See, now pop up that screen. And what you want to do is keep pushing right until you get to setting. You want to push down. Keep pushing down into say vehicle setting. Push enter. If enter didn't work, just hold out the OK button. Keep going down into say schedule meeting, and push the OK button, and push up, and push OK. And that's how you reset the meeting light. And you want to go back, just push back again. And when you get to this area, just push to the left or the right, whatever you want, into where you want to put it. So I want to put it to here, and that should be it.